Hi guys, welcome back to the House of Design and Style with Stacy. I hope your new year kicked off without a hitch with everything that's going on. I hope that you're staying woke, you're staying prayed up, and that you're doing your very best to stay healthy. I'm going to try to get through this video as much as I possibly can without talking too much because I myself am getting older. We're not going to mention that word. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into this video. All right, guys, as I said in the intro, this is an unboxing for a Vancasso Dinnerware Set. All right, guys, this is how your dinnerware set will come packaged. All right. And as you can see, it is packaged very well to protect the product. We're going to pull each one of these out, but I'm not going to prolong this video with unnecessary footage, but I am going to go in detail and show you up close what the pieces actually look like. Yes, they are packaged very well, you guys, to ensure that your delivery arrives in one piece, as they should be. Okay. Now, this is the Seesami collection that I chose. It is a neutral color palette, and I chose the neutral because it can transition into any season, any style, any occasion. Okay, just want to show you guys that how your purchase will arrive. They package this very well to ensure that you receive your purchase fully intact. And I think this is awesome that they go the extra mile to make sure that their customer service and that their customers are satisfied with their purchase. And this is how the dinnerware looks. Here's your cup. I love the subtle pattern detail on this collection. This is called the Seesami collection. This is your bowl. It is a 16-piece set, which gives you a setting for 4. Here's your plate. Very nice. I love the cream colored rim detail here. And if you look closely, it actually gives you a gradient effect where you go from the lightest color into the actual color of the plate itself, which is a pretty gray. That's a nice subtle detail. And here is your saucer. Now I want to show you how well your food will present on this dishware set. It makes your food absolutely pop. Now let's do a little table styling, whether you're going for a formal dining experience or a casual dining experience. This dishware set will set you up every time. You will be able to find all the information regarding Vancasso down in my description box, including their Amazon link, their website link, and all of their social media site links. Thank you for watching, and you guys stay woke and stay prayed up. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Oh, and don't forget, hang on just a little bit longer. There's actually a second casual styling for this fantastic dinnerware set. Bye, guys.